Hello, gardeners! Welcome to another episode of our gardening series. Radishes are rewarding to grow, offering a quick harvest and a satisfying crunch. But to get the best results, soil quality and proper planting techniques are key. Without the right preparation, you might end up with disappointing results. Let's look at how to set up ideal conditions for radish growth. This involves understanding the type of soil radishes thrive in and how to prepare your garden bed. Radishes need loose, well-draining soil to develop smooth, uniform roots. The soil should be crumbly and easy to work with. Compact or heavy soil can lead to stunted, misshapen radishes. This is because the roots struggle to push through dense soil, resulting in poor growth. Prepare the bed by loosening soil up to 12 inches deep and mixing in compost for nutrients. Compost not only enriches the soil, but also improves its structure. Sow radish seeds about ½ inch deep for most varieties. This depth ensures that the seeds are well covered, but not buried too deep. For smaller types, space seeds 1 to 2 inches apart. This spacing allows each plant enough room to grow without competing for nutrients. While larger radishes like Daikon need at least 4 to 6 inches to allow their roots room to grow without crowding. Proper spacing is crucial for healthy root development. With the right soil and planting setup, your radishes will grow healthy and flavorful. Regular watering and weeding will also help maintain their growth. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more gardening insights. Happy planting, and may your garden flourish with vibrant radishes.